Good morning, friends. We have come now to the fifth question from JEE Main 2019 morning session of 11th of January 2019. The question says, in a Wheatstone bridge, as shown in the figure, resistors P and Q are approximately equal. When capital R is equal to 400 ohms, the bridge is balanced. On interchanging P and Q, the value of R for balance is 405 ohms. The value of X is close to. The choices are 403.5 ohms, 402.5 ohms, 401.5 ohms, and 404.5 ohms. Friends, this is a very simple question from balanced Wheatstone bridge and hence from current electricity. Before going further, please do press the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of all my future videos. Let us try to solve this question. We know that for a balanced Wheatstone bridge, P by Q equals R divided by X. So in the first case, we get P divided by Q equals 400 divided by X, equation 1, and when P and Q are interchanged, the value of the R becomes 405 and we get Q divided by P equals 405 divided by X, equation 2. Multiplying equations 1 and 2, we get 1 equals 400 into 405 divided by X square, or X square equals 400 into 405. Taking square roots on both sides, we get X equals 402.5 ohms. So this value matches with choice 2 of the given answers, and therefore our choice 2 is the correct answer. Friends, as you can see, this is a very simple question and can really be done without much efforts. I hope you enjoyed this problem. In case you have any difficulties, please write back to me and I will answer all your questions. Please do not forget to comment, like, share and subscribe this channel, and do visit us again for the next question. Till then, enjoy yourself.